welcome to the Restore It Ralph channel. This time we're taking my Hemi Dart to an all Mopar car show. This time we're at Bradenton Motorsports Park in Bradenton, Florida. This is my 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger 340 car originally. That was long gone when I got it, and now it's got a 5.7 Hemi that I put in with a 5-speed manual, factory style fuel injection. This thing is fun. The show we're going to is the Mopar or No Car show at St. Mary's Chrysler here in Ohio. It's about an hour away from us, so we probably ought to hit the road. All right, this thing is ready to rock. You ready to go, dude?
Yep.
All right, let's hit it. That had to have been like a dealer add-on. Bigger or cooler? Back of the day. The bird's a 4-speed, dude. That's sweet.
I'm just 48 over here. The back seat's smaller than
This is your jam, isn't it?
yeah. It's got the center console tag.
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
444 speed GTX. That's awesome.
Yeah, that is cool.
My neighbor's house is too loud. So cute because of how small the tires and wheels are on them.
That thing's awesome. That is sweet. '65 Newport. Oh yeah, it is. This is what we need to do. I'd like to. This might be the same color as your Dakota.
Yeah,
Might be the same year.
probably. Wouldn't be surprised.
I don't know, 92, 93? Store at Ralph sticker in our original Superbird. I don't know if I saw that red 70. We are back from the show, and the Dart ran flawlessly, except for one annoying problem that I just keep forgetting to fix. The stupid rear view mirror. All right, so part of it is the ball socket is a little bit loose. The other part is this thing unthreads from it and just keeps working loose. And I'm gonna take it apart and fix it right now. 3 screws will pull the whole assembly down. To fix the looseness in the ball and socket problem, it's usually pretty easy. Take these 3 screws out and then just kind of flatten that cone area. And usually what I'll do is I'll just kind of put it in the vise and kind of give it some more tension on the ball and socket area. I flattened out that dome a little bit so it'll put more tension on it. But before I put it on, I'm going to tighten up the stem. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on it too. High strength red is way overkill, but that's all I could find. It might be out of the blue evidently, so we'll thread this back in, tighten it up with a wrench and a screwdriver. It's got a slot in the top for that. and hopefully we'll have this thing so it doesn't wobble around. That's probably almost too tight, but it's probably better than it was. We'll see. All right, like I said, it's arguably a little bit too tight. It'll wear in, and it's staying exactly where I put it. So I like that. Finally, I fixed it. That's nice. We are on our way to Bradenton Motorsports Park. We are on a family vacation. It just so happens that Anna Maria Beach is just north of Bradenton Beach, which is Bradenton, Florida, and we're gonna come out here for a Thursday night test and tune just to go play around. I don't know what kind of turnout's gonna be in Florida because it's like a heat warning. This is just normal summer weather here, right? I don't know. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be a little bit busier later after the sun goes down. Maybe it'll be busy now. We're gonna go sweat and find out. I can't help but think that these are the roads that Cletus and the crew do some pulls on, allegedly. Freedom Factory! We are out here at Bradenton. We're gonna see what's running today. Get in on some of the action. Why not, right? It's vacation. We got to do car stuff. That's bad. One of the more quiet races here, I bet, tonight. I guess we should have put the pilot in, huh?
I know.
As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's going to do it for this video. Took the Dart to a cool Mopar show, had a blast driving it, and even fixed the mirror.